So we are back on this live. Let's see who is going to join us. Okay, so we are here. Yeah, thanks, Rajesh. Yeah, so we are getting some messages on Twitter. Okay, okay, I'm just replying you. Thanks for being with me. Oh, so it's very nice. We have now 60K people with this Bitfumes channel and with me and with everyone else. And what can I say for this 60K? I think it is just a number because I'm heading for a bigger number, which is 100K, and I'm preparing for that. And how can I reach? I need your suggestions to reach that 100K subscribers. Okay, Monkey Babu. Nice name. Okay, so sorry, can't stay. Going to sleep is 3 a.m. Okay, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, that's nice. Someone is from there. No problem. You can watch the same live after this live ends. It will be saved on our channel, so it will be there. Okay, so I think you have already watched VS Code videos, and some of the videos are released, and some are going to release from tomorrow. But the bigger course that is actually combination of all the videos for the VS Code I have recorded will get published on day after tomorrow. So you will have around of 2 hour of VS Code content, which is going to obviously from the downloading, setting up themes, my favorite themes, as you already know, then key binding, the most important thing. Then I just had dig into that VS Code, and VS Code is actually built with Electron JS, and it's overall JavaScript, HTML, everything you write is actually converted into a div, a simple div with some styling. So whatever theme you download, it's actually the designing for that div. So that's the simple thing. So what I did, I just had a simple extension on that, and then I changed some CSS on the VS Code, and then I created a gradient cursor on the VS Code that I really like. Most people doesn't like that, but it's just my preference. Okay, so let's see. How, bro? How are you? I'm fine. View with Laravel 8. Actually, I'm working on a Laravel 8. I'm working, but it's very initial stage. So working on Laravel 8 project that will be available on YouTube. So it will include Jetstream, obviously, and maybe I will try to use Livewire 2, but I'm not sure about Livewire 2. But yes, it will be with Laravel 8 plus Jetstream, a real project, which will be available on YouTube. Plus, the extended project, that same project will be extended on the in-depth Laravel course. So the in-depth Laravel course will get update after maybe after this month. So because I'm working on React course, so after this I will update the in-depth React course. That will be again a very interesting thing because most of the things are changed in Laravel 8, so we need to move from Laravel 7 to Laravel 8, and we need to upgrade all our real project we did on the in-depth Laravel course, and obviously we will do something else. Okay, Amitabh is once again here. One day you should play your Yamaha guitar, which is behind you. Okay, so let's do something. When I reach 100K, I will definitely. I just promise here on this live. When I reach 100K, at that time I will do a live, and on that live I will play that guitar behind me, and obviously we will have some guitar session, guitar lessons, how you can create the chords on guitar. We will do that kind of things, but that will be on 100K. So you need to help me to reach that 100K, and I'm pushing very hard because I'm trying to deliver more content, different kind of contents. So I'm sure it at the end of this year, maybe, or before, I try to reach 100K. That's amazing, Amitav. Thanks for your support. And guys, if you don't know Amitav Roy, you can check on the chat section. Amitav Roy, he's just like me. He's a channel. He has a channel for Laravel itself. For all the Indian guy or from outside of India, you can watch his tutorials also, because he has done something different. Because I'm not a node person, but he is very good in Node. So he has done some Node and Adonis JS tutorials also. So you should check out the same Amitav Roy channel. He is very nice person, and you can see his chats on the chat section. Yeah, sure, Amitav. Sure, I will do. Rajesh says, please do now. Okay, so I will try that, but obviously on 100K, not now. Actually, what happened is I have not played guitar for so long, so I need to practice. So before getting to 100K, I will try to practice something, and then I will play. Yeah. I like your React.js course here in YouTube. So, Christopher, you are, I think you, okay. So React course. So React course, you have watched whatever that course is, which is having, I think, 60 around videos on YouTube yet. But I have recorded 10 or 15 more videos, and I need to record 10, 15 more. So it will be around 30, 40 videos more. Total around 90 videos for React course, and all I will combine to complete a 6 to 7 hour of single video for React.js. So that will be a single platform to learn from starting to end of the React. But obviously, after that we will have an in-depth React.js course. So indepthreactjs.com is the place you can go and subscribe for pre-launch, where you will get huge discount before release of the course. So he says, I will be glad if you upload the code at GitHub for reference. Christopher, I think I have uploaded the code, and if you don't have that, what I will do, I will share that link on the post of the YouTube. Plus, I will also add that link, the GitHub link, on the videos I will upload later. So that will be good. Always, Amitabh, it's nice to learn so many things from you. That's good. Okay, Kirti is here. Hello, Kirti. How are you? How's your exams going on? Okay, Ayush is back. Laravel 8 MySQL Express Mongo, which is better combo for a large social site. For a large social site, I believe Express Mongo is good, because then you have a lots of data. You just need to query them, and because you are asking for a large social site, that means you need very fast website. But once again, as I always said, choose a technology in which you are you have a very nice hand, you are comfortable with that technology. Choose that technology, and at the end, what matters is the functionality. If you are able to create that functionality with Laravel 8, or even with a core PHP, it doesn't matter. Obviously, when your project is get scaled, then you can change the technology according to that. Because since now currently Node is famous, suppose you have created, but at after 2 year you need to scale, maybe something else will be better. So obviously you need to migrate from your current technology to different. So it's better to use whatever you are comfortable with. Now, Christopher says, thanks, more power to your channel. I learn a lot from your channel. Thank you, Christopher. And please make example React app read from Laravel API. Okay, so there are lots of requests for React plus Laravel. So what I can do for that, I will create something which include React and Laravel, because I have created a series for ping pong authentication kind of thing with React and Laravel, but most people didn't like that. I don't know why. Maybe it is because so complex. Authentication is very complex. Okay, so Kirti says, congratulations, and definitely one day you will get millions of subscribers. Thank you, Kirti, and your support is very valuable. So VPR. So if I remove P, then it will become VR, so virtual reality. Okay, please provide giveaway. Obviously, not now. It's just 60K. Um, Once I reach 100K, I will surely do giveaway. I will surely play that guitar. It's my promise, and giveaway will be huge, definitely huge. And that same thing I was just thinking about yesterday. So when I reach 100K, what I will do. Okay, so next, code out of poverty. What a unique name, code out of poverty. Hello, Bitfim. Do you have a video on becoming a pro at Googling? I tend to freeze once come up. This kind of video I have not created, but googling things, yes, it is now a skill for a developer. So I think on your resume you need to write, I'm a very good at searching something on Google, or I'm very good at googling. Because if you cannot google something, that means you cannot become a good developer. So that's a very nice thing. What I generally do, I actually copy the error whenever I get error anywhere on any technology. I just copy exact same error to the Google, and then I, without looking at any website, I just open first four or five links in a new tab, and then I move between the tabs. And first thing I will do, without going to get that Stack Overflow, without going to Stack Overflow, I just jump into the GitHub repository. Suppose you are working on Laravel and you get some error for Laravel specifically, so I will directly go to Laravel GitHub repository, go to the issues, and search that same error there. 99% cases that same error has been resolved with someone else. But if you are not getting any solution from there, then jump to Stack Overflow. This is my trend of googling things. Okay, next is, yes, please make a React plus Laravel. Okay, good. My exams is like for this is really you can say programmer's answer is like a for loop for 0 to infinity and I plus plus. But I will suggest have a break in between with a semicolon, because we are in PHP, so that you will have a proper balance with study, fun, and coding also. So, too many changes in level 8? I don't think so. There are too many changes. The biggest change is model factory. Apart from, we have no changes. It's like enhancement. It's like model directory is changed, not changed, actually added. Then what else? Yeah, job batching is added. There is no change, it's just the enhancement. The only change, the major change is the model factory that is affecting every previous application. So I don't say that there is any change. Very tough to upgrade project. That's the point, because when you trying to update any project, even I'm trying to update my Bitfumes website, then I got so many errors because of the model factory. I need to upgrade all my package, all the external package. I need to request them to update to the Laravel 8. And that's, yeah, that's the biggest problem for Laravel 8 upgradation. that is because of model factory. So apart from that, everything is same, almost same. Sir, you are going to make tutorial video on React Native also. Actually, what is happening in this industry is Flutter is booming like hell. Day by day, Flutter is reaching to very high number of peoples, and that's how I believe that in the future Flutter is the real thing and React Native will die. Obviously, the current trend is you are having more job for React Native compared to Flutter. But if you are trying to learn this native this hybrid technologies, I will suggest it go with Flutter because React Native has reached its height and Flutter is behind, just behind it. And when you are comfortable with the technology, either React or Flutter, after 6 months, then Flutter will reach a new high, and React Native will, in my opinion, it will not die. I can say it will go behind the Flutter. So I suggest totally go with the Flutter, and that's why the next course will be for the Flutter. So I think this is the way you need to go. I says on Laravel, it is good idea to replace auto increment primary key with UUID. That actually that thing will be good if you are having a very large project, large scale project. Then that UUID will be good. Otherwise, auto increment for primary key is okay. And I have seen many big project with these kind of auto increment only, and that has not affect anything at all. But obviously UUID is a better thing to have. And finally we are having a very nice 200 rupees of super chat from Sridhar SS. Hi Sarthak, I'm following your Laravel tutorial and it's great. As a fresher, what should I learn in Laravel, obviously, for applying for jobs as Laravel develop, and what salary can I expect? Okay, so let me answer some other question first. So, do you support TDD? So, this is the question which I need to answer first. Yes, I support TDD. And Sridhar, I'm answering this question because of you. I will tell you later. So, yes, I am big fan of test-driven development. TDD is the best thing you can ever have in programming for anything, like not just for Laravel, for any programming language. If you trying to learn the programming language, then just jump into the testing of that thing, because testing makes you a real programmer. Now coming to the Sridhar's question, because Sridhar, you are a fresher. So as I said, you first need to get familiar with the Laravel structure, how it's working. Try to create a mini project like a to-do project or simple gallery project or simple phone book project, these kind of things. Do that thing with Laravel, and then I'm suggesting you go with the test driven development. Try to learn testing, because when you learn testing you get the core part of, you understand the core parts of any language, and that is actually very very beneficial for you when you are applying for any job. So I have seen that people are having a great experience with Laravel, but when I say, do you know testing, they say, oh, I have never tested any code, I have never written any code, or yes, I know, but I have never applied it. So you need to be familiar with test driven development, and even if you don't have any experience for a big project, but when you say or when you write in your resume that I know test driven development, I highly follow test driven development, its rules, then this will actually impact your resume and this will enhance your chance of getting selected. Now, next question you asked for. what should I learn? So I said about test driven development. Obviously, before test driven development, you need to learn the basics. So I said, do the basics, try some mini project, then do that test driven development. Highly recommended test driven development. Then what salary can I expect now? According to the skill plus according to the company, it could vary from 10,000 to 40,000. That depends upon your experience plus the company you are applying for. If it is not a high level company, then they can offer you 10 or 20 for 6 months. Then obviously according to your work experience or your working, they can increase that. But if you are applying for a big company, they will directly offer you 40, 50 even, just for having a test driven development knowledge and having a good knowledge. So don't think about salary, just think about test driven development. Very nice. Shivrag Shukla, hi Sarthak, hope you are doing well. I'm learning depth PHP and want custom. Sorry, lost. Want to change a predefined keyword with a custom keyword. What functionality in class trait with Shivrang? Actually, I didn't get your question. Sorry about that. Any tutorials on Magento 2? Sorry, AJ7. I really don't know about Magento. I know just one thing. Magento is a e-commerce platform. That's it. So once again, Shivdans, thanks. Be healthy and safe. Okay. Now, Indie Pacific, you are doing great job. Thanks, Ashish. Back. Sir, please launch a series React depth routing. Ashish, actually, I have started the routing. You can check out the React course, and we have started with the React router DOM, and you can have all the routing details there, like middleware, how you manage the different routes on your application, these kind of things. So next is when you are bringing the Flutter tutorial. Yeah, it will take time. Flutter will take time because currently I'm focusing totally on the React course. So after React, I'm trying to launch the React course around mid that October, and as soon as I complete my React course, I will directly going to start Flutter course, and that will be really huge, and it will also include iOS development from uh, developing to actually publishing a real app. We will create a real app that you can find it on Play Store, also on the iStore, no, App Store of iPhone. So that we will do, and that is the plan, obviously with the testing on that Flutter thing. But yes, it will take time, at least 1.5 month. Next, Dhruv is back. Hey Dhruv, how are you? Laravel 8 में rounds complicated क्यों किया? Yeah, these are some complicated things are there. But if you don't want that class colon controller colon class thing, you can disable that thing and go to route service provider and simply disable that and get back all your easy so-called easy things. But the new thing is really easy. It's actually it's actually have there because of the autocomplete from the IDE. So when you are having a reference for the controller, you just type the controller name and your IDE will autocomplete that. So this will actually enhance your coding style and obviously the speed of project. Job versus freelancing versus remote job. So job is not there, you just have a freelancing plus remote job. So that totally depends upon what kind of person you are. Some people like to have a bounded thing, like in job, obviously in a remote job. Some people like to be free, and when they want they will work, when they don't want they don't work. That in that way you need to be a freelancer. But considering the hard work, on any places, whether you are on job, whether you are on freelancing, whether you are on entrepreneurship, anywhere there is very high competition and you need to work so hard. So obviously check you yourself what kind of person you are, and then choose a good path. What the future of Spring Boot? Personally, I'm not a person to answer this question because I am not in a Java field. But I say that I have heard from big companies that Spring Boot is still there and it has very nice support for things, for super enterprise level things are available only for Spring Boot. So I think there is a future for Spring Boot. But once again, I'm not a correct person to answer this question. So you can ask who you can ask. You can also ask Naveen Reddy from Telesco. He is a king of Java and also Python. So you can ask him. Okay, please do a code review video on GitHub open source project. Yeah, sure, that will be good. Hi, do you recommend Bagisto for a startup e-commerce site? Yes, Bagisto is very nice, and the current new version of Bagisto is released 5 or 6 days back. And you know, Bagisto is going to get very, you can say, unique thing. Why? Because yesterday I talked with the person from the Bagisto team, and they are saying me that. On the next future version of Bagisto, they will have a augmented reality and machine learning included in Bagisto. That will be a game changer. I will definitely suggest Bagisto is a future of e-commerce platform. Next, thanks for upgrading Laravel 8 for Laravel multi-auth for Laravel 8. Yeah, it just I need to install that uh, legacy factory, and that it's done. Because as I said, there is no breaking change in Laravel 8 apart from that model factory. So everything is smooth. So it was very easy. Now, Shahi, sorry. Your video is really helpful. Thanks for contributing free education for all. Best wishes. Thank you. More for which Flutter app you are going to make in the future tutorial. AJD, I'm not sure because I have not planned in that way. I will obviously ask on a Google form what kind of project people are looking for, what kind of we can build with the Flutter. But that will be obviously after mid October. So we will have that thing, and maybe I will ask on this live show also. Next, next. Can I learn old version of Laravel 7? Yes, you can. It's I said no changes, so you can easily learn Laravel 7. Even if you learn Laravel 6, that will be good there because there is no breaking changes. It's all about enhancement. PHP is alive because of Laravel. Yes, obviously. And nice to see you. Thanks. Is freelancing illegal with job? What? Is that freelancing is illegal with job? I didn't get you, Coder Boy. What's that thing? Class A having function x, y, x, z return true. Change with adoption A function x, y, z return true. X, Y, X, Z class A adoption A. Shivang, I think I need to talk to you personally because this is looking little complex. I need to ask various questions for you. So maybe you can message me on Twitter. We can have chat there. Next is Rust good? Yes, Rust is really good, and I can say the Rust is the future language, just like a C or C++. So Rust and Golang is really the future. This is really nice. You know, Deno was the thing. So Deno is built with Rust, and Rust is really nice. You need to go with. Oh, we have two new super chats. One is from Pradnya, I think, and second is for Gurminder Keller. Sorry if I am pronouncing your name incorrectly. But thank you for your super chat. And it's really, really awesome that we are having people we, people from India who are supporting the this kind of work. Because generally, what happened that from India, people are not giving away these things. Are also for Srirang because he is also, I think, Indian. So I'm very happy to see Indians who are contributing to these kind of things because in India there is not a mindset to support these kind of work. But this is really, really amazing. Let's get back to some other questions. I think I lost the rest. Then SAS versus multi-tenancy different in detail. Okay, Dhruv, I will try. Nati from Ethiopia. Thanks, Nati. Where where you from, brother? Oh, okay, so Dorna Casey. I am from India, and where are you from? So the next is Sayed Ali. I'm watching your tutorial, but having a problem with managing all the content. Should I create note according to the study? Yes, you can create, and please share that note on Twitter. And guys, please share whatever you are learning from my channel. Just share and tag Bitfumes on Twitter, and I'm going to surely retweet that. Obviously, I will also going to add it to my fleet, add it to my YouTube story. If you are sharing what you are learning from Bitfumes channel, I'm going to share that thing on Twitter, on Instagram, also on my story of YouTube. So I will wait every day for your learning status. So you can just take a screenshot from your laptop, or just click a picture from your mobile and share it on any platform, and then tag me or the Bitfumes. That will be really, really good, because then we can connect and we can talk about that. I can suggest you something if you are doing something wrong. So that will be actually a really, really good thing. And okay, once again, one more super chat we have, and this one is from Gurminder. Once again, Gurminder, and you did two things. Okay, so you did two times, and it says love your work, really, really amazing, Gurminder, and I really thankful for your support. And this is actually enhancing my willpower. You can say it's pushing me to do all the hard works. And really, really, I'm glad to see all these Indians who are coming forward and supporting this kind of work. Next, let's say Tiger Cat. Wow, thank you. Okay, Gurminder Scaler. Hi. Okay, so Gurminder, what you do? Tell me about yourself. Multi-input field to do app. That will be a good thing. Now Tenzin says, sir, why they called view auth view? So they cancelled auth. Okay, so Tenzin, they have not cancelled actually view auth. The Laravel UI packages is still there with the version 3. You can use it. There is no changes. It's all about enhancement. It's all about having more options for different situations. So Jetstream is for large scale project. Laravel UI is for normal scale projects. So NetLoint, what is the difference between Livewire or Inertia? Okay, so Livewire is actually using simple, you can say, JavaScript to directly talk to the Laravel. Okay, but Inertia JS you not uses simple JavaScript, core JavaScript. It uses a Vue or React or Svelte, and then you can create your components just like a normal JavaScript component. But in Livewire, you need to create component on Laravel side. Then you can communicate. It's a little difficult to understand the difference between them, but on and all, you can say Livewire has a component on Laravel side. Inertia has a component on JavaScript side. So it's actually both are solving the same problem. And the problem is if PHP people doesn't know JavaScript, then they are solving the same problem, but in a total different way. Livewire is solving problem from Laravel end, all the JavaScript it has already, and it's directly talking to the Laravel. Inertia JS, all the logics, everything is on Vue side or React or Svelte side, and then directly sending the, you can say, Ajax request on the back end. So on the back end, if you're using Inertia, it's normal Laravel, but on the Livewire, it's totally different. Okay, next, Gurvinder say we need. Oh, where is that? Mm, I'm very. We need a node tutorial. Gurvinder, node tutorial. I'm waiting for the moment because I have so much of things in lineup. Like we have a React, then Flutter, then whatnot. So maybe I can create the node tutorial. Surely, damn sure, I will do that. Laravel with Vue React, which is good combination, depends upon your experience. Bagisto is not good with page speed. I don't know about that, but you can configure everything in Bagisto. So maybe I will ask this question with the Bagisto team, and I can suggest if there is something they can enhance it for the next one. Okay, so Gurvinder, I love what you do. Thank you, Gurvinder. Thank you for all these things. Okay, sorry, Osco. I think I skipped, and I need to find Osco. I really missed Osco. Where is your chat? Sorry, I can't find it. Let's quickly scan because I'm very slow. I'm very behind. I'm working a PHP. Should I move to Python? Yes, if you want to move to different area, then you should move to Python. PHP is just for web development. Please do multi-auth using Laravel. Just stream. No videos available currently on YouTube. Yeah, sure. I have a job because of you. Oh, really, Gominder? You got job? Congratulations for you. What kind of job you are having, and what's your profile there? I think my mobile is. I need to recharge my mobile. Okay, get back. Thanks, Vadi, for a quick reply from a query in a next project. Thank you, Pradnya. And as I said, please, people, go and share whatever you are learning on Twitter, on even on Facebook, Instagram. Just go, click, and share and tag me. We will have a chat there. Actually, in freelancing, you need to show project you have done, and if you are in a job, then it is not illegal to show your project to the. Yes. Correct. If you are in a job, and if you are trying to showcase that same project as experience or your portfolio, then you cannot do if you are moving to freelancing. Yeah, that's the thing. Hello, I'm from Nepal. Follow your tweet. Thanks, yeah. Thanks, Donna. And once again, he has deleted the message. Okay, Abu, can you please make a tutorial on Braintree, PayPal, and Stripe payment with a view? With view, I think with. Okay, I will see. Next, bro, real-time projects should be available in Bitfumes when I have a problem solving in a file. Let it task your video. Okay, I will check that. Is Jetstream is admin panel? No, it's a authentication scaffolding. For you can say for admin panel, you can control whole website, but this is for every user. And user, if you can give user ability to create teams, then that will be the thing, but it's not a totally admin panel. So, is jQuery Ajax combination is the only way to go in PHP with Bootstrap 5? Who uses jQuery? Do not use jQuery. Or Ajax technology is simply available on every JavaScript project, JavaScript framework like Vue, React, Svelte, Angular, everywhere. You can combine it with PHP, obviously, from Bootstrap 5. No problem. I am a web developer at Noida NCR. Okay, so Gurminder, you are from Noida, and which sector you live there? Because I was there for 8 months, but now I am shifted to Indore, MP. Abhishek Agrawal, can you please add a social media handle of the person you mentioned on Spring Boot? Okay, you don't know that. Naveen Reddy, I asked for, and his channel name is Tulusku, I think Tulusku. It's a very unique name. Tulusku. Let me search. Tulusku. Python. Okay, Telescope. This is the one. This is the YouTube channel, and person name is Naveen Reddy. Channel name is this, and person is Naveen Reddy. So you can check that. Okay. So Kirti says, can you give me some suggestion? I got job offer from MNC company. Wow, that's good. But we wish, obviously, I know what we is. We wish to start a company. What it suggests, what's its suggestion? I will join to that company or get some experience or start my fresh thought. I suggest if you are getting offer from MNC, go work there for at least 1 or 2 year, get experience from there, and obviously start your own thing, because having your own company is really awesome. Next, I am very slow. Multi input field steps like invoicing, payment system. Yeah, I got your point, Mohammed. Then Donna says, where can you have conversation if I feel error? You can, if you have any error, you can just tag me on the Twitter, and then I can reply you, or you can directly email me. And sorry about everything, because I am very slow in replying for even on the Twitter or even on Gmail. That's the thing. But obviously, you can contact me there. Thanks for replying to query. Can you suggest the resources for learning TDD? Sridhar, obviously, my course is there. You can have that course, and in that course, I have a full, you can say, test-driven development module called TDD with blog, which having a 70 or 80 videos, which from where you can actually get started with this Laravel test-driven development. That will be good. And obviously, if you are a fresher and you are stepping into Laravel, then in-depth Laravel course is a really, really great thing for you. Does Livewire give a more overhead to Laravel server? Yes, obviously, Erwin. It is doing lots of things with Ajax, and you cannot control that thing. And yeah, in that case, it is not applicable for front end thing. You obviously need Livewire for admin things only. ध्रुव says LTS क्यों नहीं होता है लास्ट में 6 था 7 skip किया because LTS says long term support. They are supporting only certain versions. So level 6 I think was LTS. Now there is no 7 LTS, no 8 LTS. I believe the next level 9 will have surely have LTS version, because it's now 2 year or 1.5 year with the 6.1. So they cannot provide every new version with LTS. That's obvious thing. So Karthik says, bro, P React tutorial, please. Okay, got your point. Thanks for suggestion. I will try that P React. What's the difference between React and P React? First, I need to check that. Okay, next. I am from Bangladesh. Thank you, Rahul. Now, level need tutorial Docker, please. Yeah, Docker tutorial is coming very soon. I'm from Ethiopia. Oh, wow. Uh, Hilal Tube. So, Ethiopia, it's a very nice place. I have never been there, but I know from internet, and I have heard about Ethiopia. It's very, very nice place. Sir, please start tutorial with Laravel with Docker. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Okay, Abhishek says thank you. Then Irvin says, any suggestion of crystal report like oh, Gurminder, what you are doing? I can't believe this. What you are doing, it's okay, brother. It's totally fine. No need to have multiple super chats. But anyways, thank you once again for your all your support. What I can say for all these things, it's actually overwhelming, and no need for these things. And you can have it for save it for next YouTube live. But really, it's really awesome. Thank you for this. It's just like I need to focus more from tomorrow to deliver more quality content for you all. Really, really amazing. It's like I don't have any words for this. Okay, next. You are the one of the few people that actually can understood in English. Was it your tutorial YouTube video that contributed to that? Like accent is better than most of from your country. Really, I don't think so. That my accent, English accent, is good. I feel like people are actually complaining about my accent. I'm amazed that you are saying that it is better than from other Indians. And really, it's good. And actually, I am trying to change it. I'm trying to enhance. I am very bad in at. I'm very bad in English and speaking English. I'm very very bad. I confess these things, but I'm trying to enhance everything. But as your comment is there, I'm feeling good. Now Rahul says, sir, should I move to Django from Laravel? Once again, Rahul, it's totally depend upon your preference or your skill. If you are good in PHP, I don't think there is a need for moving from Laravel to Django. But if you are good in Python compared to PHP, obviously, then you should go to Django. See, what happen is you need to master one thing. It doesn't matter how good or bad it is. You need to master that thing, and once you have mastered that thing, then any framework, any language is just like a new day for you. Every day you have some challenges, so that's like that in a new language or in a new framework you will have a next challenge. You need to solve that challenge, and boom, everything is simple, just like you have mastery on every other thing. So I just like I have mastered, initially I mastered Vue. Then when I want to move into React, it was just 10 or 15 days. I just need to learn the basics, some of the unique concepts, and at all everything is same, just like Vue or React. So both Laravel and Django are backend thing. So if you have experience in Laravel and if you want to move, surely move. But if you have a good knowledge in Python, only then. Okay, so Sanjeev say hi Sarthak, thanks. Now, once again, Ethiopia person. I've been working on Laravel project. This project have a file upload system for API and web view. So, what security should I have include beside filtering and limiting size? Okay, so this is a file upload. So you need to check the file extension, what kind of file it is, and make sure you have all the read and write rights for the files. Try to upload that files not on your storage folder of Laravel. Try to upload it on a cloud base like S3 or DigitalOcean spaces. So move that there and always try to check some virus thing or any malware thing. You can have some external plugins for these kind of things. These kind of securities you need to check, obviously. Laravel releases LTS every 2 year, and now next new release, new version every 6 month. Correct. It is very correct. Every 2 year they have a LTS, and every 6 month they have a new release. Net learned. Have you got free course on your site? I don't provide free course. Like there are free course on YouTube. Same free courses are available on my website. But there are some premium courses. Obviously, these are premium courses because they have so much of things inside that I don't think it's good to provide free because it took more than 2 to 3 months of hard work for me. I need to separate time to create that much of big project. So I feel asking for money for that premium project is not bad thing. And the most important thing is free things has no value. If even I have actually got many free courses from various places, like from winning somewhere and getting some coupon. I have taken that course. Like I have logged into the course, but I have never seen that course. But the course I have brought with my money, I watched that full course over the night. So because I have given value like money, so I want to get back the value from that course. So free stuff doesn't have any value. But obviously this in my opinion the rights to learn is to have a free basics things like what I'm providing all the basics for free. But then for the advanced things and for high level things I charge for that on a premium course. That's my opinion. Again, I could be wrong. That's the thing. You may be not with me on this topic. That's the thing. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. Next, let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Gurvinder said, "No, you have been through many hardships. Just a little gift." Thank you once again, Harminder, and it's really awesome to have a person like you who got job just because of me. I didn't got any job from my side, and it's really awesome that people are getting job because of me. It's really what can I say? Once again, I don't have words. What you can do, Gurinder, please tweet about these things because when you tweet about your experience of how you get job, who helped you, not only like it's not for giving credit to me. It's like you are an inspiration to many people that hey, you can watch YouTube free tutorials and get job. So that's why I'm asking you to share your experience. And obviously, when you tag me, I will reshare it, I will repost it. So your reach will get broader and you can inspire more people. And that's why I'm asking. And obviously, in that way, you are promoting me. But that's not the primary aim of asking you to share your experience, but share your experience to inspire people, because this is really inspiring thing that you are getting job from watching YouTube tutorial. If there was no between tutorial, there could be something else, but it's that important thing is people can get job from YouTube tutorial. That's really really amazing. Okay, Kirti says, thanks for your suggestion. Please, can you make a video on PWA? Okay, I think progressive web app. You're asking. I will try. Gurminder, use this money for good equipment and nice video. Yes, Gurminder, I am going to use it, and I have now spent lots of money on equipment. Like I got a huge mic. I got this camera. I'm waiting for that. What they call something, a device that can be used to connect camera with the uh, laptop. I have ordered it, but it's not reached yet. So I have spent lots of things on my equipments, and obviously I will enhance it. Yes, thanks for all these gifts. Okay, next, next. Oops, where is this? Okay, congratulations on 60,000 subscriber. Thanks for this great content. Hope your number increase. Thank you. Sure, Neil. Yasin says happy for you. Tanzin says, sir, thoughts on Symphony? It is a high-paying remote job. Yes, again, just like Laravel, Symphony is very nice. How long you took to learn Vue and React? For Vue, it took me, I think, 6 to 7 months to learn from scratch, because at that time I was not very good in React, in JavaScript. But for React, it just took me 15 days, because as I said, I have everything in my mind, because React is just like a Vue. So I just need to learn the basics and some of the concepts of Laravel, some of the concepts of React, and then after that, I got everything in React, and in 15 days, I said, okay, that's very easy thing. Next, which one is better? Web app, MySQL, Postgres SQL. Obviously, Postgres SQL is good, but you can have a MySQL. Don't think about which is better. Use whatever technology you are comfortable with. Try to create something, deliver it. That's the main goal. That's the very important thing. Sir, make more videos on Flutter. Yep, obviously, happy for you, instructor. Happy for you. Ooh, thanks, coach. Happy. Yeah, thanks for everything, Yasin and Ayush. Yeah, really thankful for you. Oh, we got one once again, Sridhar. Once again, you got this. Can you suggest a method for registration and login in Laravel using only mobile OTP using API? Okay, I think I got your point. You want to log in with the OTP, the mobile OTP, and you want that method for registration and login. So for registration and login, it's normal thing. See what happened. You want to log in with the OTP. Let's say you want to register. So obviously you want user. You ask for name. You ask for email. You ask for mobile number. Store these things in your database. Once these things are stored on the controller, obviously you will write the code to store these things into database. Once you have completed that, then create a random number. You can use any random string, yeah, any random function to create the random number, 4 digit or 6 digit random number, and send that thing to that mobile number of user's mobile number. And you can use the external APIs to send the SMS, like you can use Texmo, you can use Texmo, I think Nexmo. You can use obviously Amazon API to send the SMS. Then once they have sent, they received the SMS, you need to ask for verifying the OTP. They will write the OTP, Once they written the OTP, then you need to match that OTP with the OTP you have sent. How you will match? When you are sending the OTP to the user, once user is registered, you are having that mobile number, you are sending the SMS, then save that OTP in cache or in session. When user is verifying that OTP, match user's OTP with the session's OTP. If they are matching, then you can say that user is verified. So you can have a verified column and check it, like make it true. Is verified is true. Same you can do with the login. Instead of getting the password, you can ask for mobile number. When you ask for mobile number, send a SMS to that user. Then once you got the, obviously you need to create the OTP. You are saving that OTP into session. You have sent the SMS to that person received, user received that OTP. User is typing you OTP, submitting it. Once again, match that OTP. If the OTP is matching, get the user from the database, like email and everything, and log in from your end. It's very easy. So this is the simple process. Actually, I have created a, no, not login system. I have not created the login system. I will try that. What can I try? Though so much of things are there. Is MongoDB good to use in project? Do big companies uses this DB for storing data? Yes, MongoDB is so famous, and it's used by many big companies. Yeah, waiting for level 8 course. Yes, sure. Ridwan Malik says, sir, I'm using multi-out to make a project and I completed a web project and now want to make API with JWT, but I changed some of your package code and auto-load it. And now can I use JWT? Ridwan, I think I'm not getting exactly what you are asking. You can message me on Twitter. We can have chat there, or you can email me with the full details. We can have a look on that. Whenever I see your video, I get motivated from you, and each video is giving something else. Thank you, Technical KD. I'm very glad to read your nice message. Rido Won, why you are asking JWT? Uh, okay, so Kapil is asking to someone else. Next, Charismo. How much time do you think will go take to become a popular language for, okay, will go take to become a language for building web API? What about Deno, and how do you think is going to catch up? Go is very fast, but because it is not famous for web development, Go is very useful for networking things and for server related DevOps related things. So it's more implementation is there. But when it's come to web development, yes, there are many frameworks coming for Go language. There are there. So maybe in the future we will have some nice framework for the Go, and we will try that on our channel also. Now, coming to Deno, I don't know what happened to Deno. Deno is really good thing. I still feel that it is good, but people are not adapting it. What I'm feeling is that people don't want to learn new things, and it's the simple thing. But Deno is really good. People are working on it, and now it's becoming more stable. And I still feel that when it's going to be super stable, then it will actually it will actually become so famous that there will be no other good technology other than Deno. So Deno is really good. I don't know what happened to it. Your video and Jetstream review is very awesome and well explained. And can you please make a video on Laravel React using inertia? I don't think I'm going to use inertia because personally, what I feel, I don't need inertia because I can do things better for with React in standalone, Vue standalone. So that's the thing. But obviously, React plus Laravel I will create. Okay. Where I am, where I am, where I am. No, that is completely right. You deserve more. That we don't have access to have the payment platform. Okay, where are you from and why you don't have the payment platform? Can you explain? Okay, so people are chatting. There is any vulnerability in login section? I don't think so. Irvin says, "Thanks for answering to my question. Congratulations once again for 60K. You deserve million subs. Thank you, bro." So what's the session? Huh? What is session? Kapil, are you PHP guy? If not, then it's okay. But if you are a PHP person and you are asking for session is like storing some data for in memory, not in any database. It's in memory, and then whenever you want, you can get the data from the session. So that's called session. So how to secure our website from session hijacking? That's a very high level concept. What happened? Shay Dexter says something. Oh God, shut up! Who shut up? You 1002 here talk. What's happening here? Who is this Shade Exter? I don't know. Okay, Kapil once again says from where a hacker can attack on website using a non-relational database. I'm not a hacker. uh, these are the questions which always make me like this. Okay, so hacking can be done with various ways, but the most important one is SQL. Whatever you are storing in your non-relational database, make sure everything is sanitized, not like we are sanitized for the HTML or for the script tag JavaScript things, and that will be good. Okay. So your thoughts on PWA? PWA is really good thing, and progressive web app is alternative to create a mobile application. It's very nice. Almost every big thing is going to the progressive web app. Little difficult to understand the concept, but because now mobile apps are going into that machine learning and augmented reality kind of thing, I don't feel PWA can match that till date until something can come up for the uh, browser. Like TensorFlow JS is there, which can run machine learning things on your browser, but uh, you cannot do that thing. In my opinion, you cannot do the augmented reality things from the browser. That's what I feel. Maybe I don't have that much knowledge. It could be there. So mobile app is a step ahead with PWA. Please play the guitar. Harinder, I have actually told to everyone that I'm going to play that guitar when I reach 100K. Then I will do a live, and then I will play that guitar in front of everyone on this live, and that will be really amazing. Plus, I will do a giveaway on 100K, and that would be maybe this kind of Bitfumes t-shirt and some or other merchandise for Bitfumes when I reach 100K, and obviously some courses, many things I will do for that 100K giveaway plus 100K celebration. I will do surely that. Yeah, Kapil, I got that from your question because you are not a PHP guy. Because PHP person knows what is session, and that's what I wonder why you are asking it. Which one is better, VAMP or XAMPP? Anyone which solve your problem. I never asked for better things. Whatever I have, if I am good, I'm happy with this. That is best. If I'm not happy, I find next best. If that solves my problem, that is the best thing, because Laravel is solving all my problems. So in my opinion, Laravel is the best, but obviously Laravel is not the best. Node is the best, or maybe Django is the best. But in my opinion, because Laravel is solving all my problem, why should I go with another thing? Why should I find best? So it just whatever solve your problem. Okay, so Victor says, can you do a Flutter application which provider and Node.js REST API? I don't know about Node, but yes, I will do Flutter with the provider, because that's the real thing to share data. How do I buy premium courses in rupees? Actually, what you can do, you can message me on Twitter, and I will share you the phone number. You can Google Pay, or you can Paytm me. Okay, then I can provide you a free coupon that can make that thing, or I can actually create your I can add the course to your account once I got the money. So that's in that way you can have it in rupees. Can you do a flutter? That's done. So not guitar. We want you to play piano, playing Ruk Jao Dil Diwan. I don't know how to play piano, but yes, I can play that song on my guitar. Really, really amazing. Tandan, where are you from? I feel that you are not Indian, but you are saying some Hindi song, and I want to know where are you from. It's really, really amazing. Ruk jao dil diwane. Ruk jao dil diwane. Ta-ra-ra-ta. How do you consistent with coding? I use 30-minute rule. I will talk about it in another live session. But 30-minute rule is very basic. I have created this on my own. I don't know if it is already available. So you just need to start a timer for 30 minutes, do a task for 30 minutes. When the timer rings after 30 minutes, just stop that, switch to another thing. That's very, very easy, simplest thing. So I just, it's also called time mm, time boxing. I think this is the thing. Okay, so Kapil says, I'm using Express Nuxt.js Mongo in my dummy website. It is enough. Is it enough, or I need to learn some more technology framework? Express Mongo Nuxt. I think it is enough for these things. For getting started, everything is you have, and you can actually go and try some freelancing or apply for any job if you want. You can do that thing. So Net says, I'm from Ethiopia. The bank in our country does not support such kind of payment. Earlier, so if you have course in your site. Hmm. Okay, so Netloin, sorry, not point. Netloin, what you can do, please drop a message with your this name Netloint, and you're from Ethiopia. Drop a message on Twitter about this, and let's see what can I do for you, and how we can find any alternative for any payment. We can chat there, and we can solve your problem. Okay, so Tenzin say he's from Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is like a neighboring country, and yeah, in that way you can have a Ruk Jao Dil Diwana, very nice. Sure, that's good. So Ridwan says, sir, how to make login API for Android app with Laravel? You can use the Sanctum package. That's very nice package. So I think every question is done, and I got many super chats today. And thanks everyone for all your super chats. Like big thanks for Gurminder and Sridhar, and also for Prajna for all your super chats, and really awesome. It's like I can say everything is actually for this channel. All these little monies, and everything, all these money will go for enhancing the quality content for you. Sure. Okay, so last question is Sarthak, I try to find resources about Livewire 2 JavaScript hook and I can't find nowhere. Can you share some project? Yes, I am going to create something for Laravel Livewire 2, Laravel 8. This thing I can do. How can I implement refresh token with Axios on React? Refresh token, you whenever you send the, you can say, send a request, and if you get a response that token is expired, then you can again send on the catch part of that, you can again send one more Axios request to refresh the token with the old token. You can do that. So once again, Gurminder is saying, "See you next time." Yes, now it's time to go and say you goodbye. From tomorrow, we are heading towards a VS Code tutorial, and the day after tomorrow, we will have a very big project, not project, very big video for this VS Code. And till then, we will meet once again on the next Sunday live. And I'm once again trying to do all these things for you. So I will gift you something when I will be earning currently 2 years student. No problem, Kapil. Your support, your messages here is actually an encouragement for me. That's really, really amazing. So should I use JWT for login API? Yeah, you can use it. It's very safe. You can have it. Okay, so finally, bye bye, and I'm going to end this live stream. And please, I said once again, I'm saying, please share your learning whenever you are learning from me from Bitfumes channel. Take a snapshot, have a picture, and share it on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, anywhere. I'm going to share that with my account so that you will get exposure and we can have some chat there. Technical say KD says how to decide website cost. I am very bad at these things. I also ask people about these things. Okay, so oh, someone is from Greece. Waller is from Greece. That's very nice. And say hi to every Greece person. Obviously, you cannot do it for everyone, but yeah, that's very very nice. Okay, so bye bye. We will meet next Sunday.